Here's a quick video on how to format a label for Wasp Labeler. We just use a standard laser label, the 5160 address label. Format makes it really easy. Start by adding your text. Just drag and drop. It's that simple. Move them into place. Now you got to format all your labels to align left or right or center or whatever. It's really simple. It's all done in the properties over on the right hand side, and if you know how to use Microsoft Office, you can do this. It's very easy to do. It's not changed the name yet. Now I need to add a barcode, so just drag and drop your barcode, align that. Do all your formatting. Apparently I can't decide what I want to do with it. And then go back and finish formatting all your text. Okay, so once you finish formatting your text, you need to add a database to your Wasp file. We just use a standard Excel database. You can link it up to your accounting software as well, which works really good too. But for us, we're a manufacturer. We've got kind of a weird system where we make parts for ourselves and other people, and it seems to work a little bit better just by using an Excel spreadsheet. It's very simple to format as well. So go over to your Content tab, select Database, type in yes, select Excel, find your database, click it, hit OK, apply. Now once it's connected to your file, go back to File, and now you want to link your columns just by clicking on Database again. So I'll do the part number in this first text, and then I like to change the name of the placeholder just so I kind of know what it is. And just do that for the rest of them. Now for my barcode, I'm going to use my part number. We use a really simple barcode, by the way, too. We use barcode 128. I'm going to link it to the part number column from my Excel spreadsheet. Check your data, make sure everything's good. Go to print. I like to print a test page and make sure everything's right. So when you select your records now, there's something weird that happens when you try to search. So you have to, I've tried all these match options. The only way that really works with the Wasp Labeler is if you type in the full description. So if you just type in half a description and just kind of search like something close to it, it's not going to find it at all. So type in the full part number and hit find, and it'll find what you're looking for. Hit print. Print your label. Now hit cancel because I realized I made a mistake. I forgot to select one full page. Now that'll print a full sheet. You can also do label rolls. And then I also realized I didn't have the formatting right on the barcode, so I'm going to fix that. So align it. Now once I got everything right, I'm going to go and reprint just to check it out. So I'm going to select records now. Okay. So here's another problem. Okay, so here's another problem with the select records now window. If I have you, if you open it back up and you try to search again, and the part number you're trying to search is already in there, and in no match found, that means the records now window is not selected. So you just got to hit OK and then hit the records now window, or any row in the records now window, and it'll work. Now I'm going to make my life harder by selecting a new number. Hit find. Let's go to print. Print. Okay, now if you see this window, as long as your labels print okay, you could just ignore this. It's just talking about like your margins, or they say that they're going to bleed off the label. Most of the time, if it prints okay, you're fine. I don't really have a lot of issues with this, but if you do, just get back into your label layout and just kind of tighten everything up a little bit, and that should fix that problem. Okay, looks good. So it looks like we're done. We've made a label. Now once you've decided everything's good, save as, save a copy of your file for later, and you're basically done. Next thing I want to talk about is when you want to add new part numbers to your Wasp labeler. If you do this method, you have to go and edit the Excel document and save it there, and then refresh your data back on the Wasp labeler. It's actually really simple to do, but you got to know to do that. There's no way to physically change your data in Wasp labeler. You have to do it in Excel. Just open up your Excel spreadsheet. Add your new part number. Save it. Go to data, refresh data, and you're good. Everything's updated.